I'm in Lowe's. They have an amazing selection today. Excuse the noise. We eating at Lowe's. Blame Lowe's. Can you hear me though? Can you hear me? All right. We are going to do a mom's comparison. I have them lined up for you guys. My basket is of course full as always with beautiful colors. Periwinkles, which are perennials. All right, let's take a look at it. Here we have a double the sun Coreopsis. Full sun, half off, $14 would be $7. $7 for this size. This is one that's flat over, $7. Now, you do get a brown container, but for $7, would you prefer to get clearance, or we have over here half off the little bang starlight Coreopsis for $6. The blooms are a little bit less dramatic, as you can see, but they're $6, no container. Now Lowe's have also little yellow mums. For $3 you get bold color. $3 you have about $5.50 and $7. So the choice is on today mine, but the choice can be yours also. Moms, mummies. Right now it wants to get quiet, so of course I decided to go with the purple mums and the yellow. Purple and yellow. Let's see. They also have some potato vines on sale. These are for $1. Spotlight lime, ornamental, and then they actually have the spotlight black for $1. So if you was doing some last minute fall containers, this will be perfect. Let's just see. Oh, not enough contrast there. But this, let's get one from the back. All right, now too dark, but with that yellow right there in that container, that'll be pretty. I'm putting these in the ground so they can get established for next year. They still have some hollies on sale. Big old beautiful hollies. They have another snowball viburnum I'm thinking about getting. I have 2 of them though. I don't know if I need another one. Sweet cocktail tomatoes. Still here. They've been here for a while. You all, I want to show you all. This is a yellow mum. Beware with yellow mums. They have the tendency to split. I'm coming back today because mine split in the middle as such. Now these pencils are beautiful, but they're annuals in my region. So you're gonna stay beautiful right here. Those the Agastache shades that did well at my mailbox. Beautiful. They have a different color. I didn't even notice a different color here. That doesn't have a tag. Y'all see? Different color pencil there. Oh, they do have some dianthus if you want that rug look of ground cover. And these over here, beautiful vincas. Oh, they're annual, so they're going to stay beautiful here. This is my season of putting perennials in the ground. All right, and everything else is just looking so sad. Let's go see what else I can find. I'm back with a plant haul, fall color plant haul. Now, if you watched my previous video, why y'all didn't tell me I did this all wrong? I'm going to actually add these stones in the inside walkway. I initially wanted paths going along the side because we normally walk that way to get to the water holes. But if I add plants on the side, which I'm thinking about adding, which no, ain't no think, I'm going to add this strawberry shake hydrangea. I want to add two big ones here because I don't like all of this space. So I'm going to put two big ones there, plenty of mums. I have different varieties of mums. If you watch my plant haul, this one here is the Little Bang Starlight Coreopsis. Can you all see that one? And then I also have the standard that they had, 2 for $10, which is the yellow mums, vibrant colors. And then I have some purple ones here. So I'm going to fill all this space up. Oh, also, of course, you all can see this here. I got this beautiful croton for, it was originally, let's see, you all, $14.98. I got that one half off. They had another one that was half off too, but the leaves, I just got a few little crinkly leaves right there. The other one was in horrible shape. So it stayed at home at Lowe's. I also got these vincas, which are beautiful in the springtime too. They're like the first to bloom. So I'm looking forward to this beautiful color. But yellow, purple, a little bit of orange up in there with my hydrangeas. It's going to be beautiful. I'm also going to paint this white. White is a bold color. I'm a little nervous, but I need something bold to match with also the white hydrangeas. And then they're going to change colors. Stay tuned.